Okay, I've had so many moms reach out to me and tell me that when they were in custody court, the judge did not allow them to speak. And I'm here to let you guys know right now that if a judge does not allow you to speak, they are violating your constitutional rights. Under the 14th Amendment, every American citizen is given the right to due process. Due process. That means you have a right to speak in court. You have a right to be heard in court. You have the right to participate in all legal proceedings during your hearing. If you entered pro se, which means self-representation for custody court, that means you are essentially your own lawyer. There are some courtrooms that have rules and there may be some restrictions, but under the 14th Amendment, you are allowed to speak in court. You are allowed to question your child's father. You are allowed to produce evidence, bring forth witnesses, testify. You are allowed to subpoena documents and subpoena public officials. As long as you are being respectful, you're not being disruptive, you're following the rules in the courtroom, and you are of sound mental capacity, the judge cannot refuse to let you state your case. And if they are violating your constitutional rights. Like I said, there are some rules. So I got to question my child's father, but I wasn't allowed to technically speak to him. So I had to ask the judge, hey, Your Honor, can you ask him why has he only made one attempt to see his children in the past 12 months? And then the judge turned and asked him for me. I wasn't allowed to speak to him directly because I'm not a lawyer. So yes, there are rules, but with or without the rules, you are allowed to participate. And you can say something. I know none of us wants to talk back to a judge. Nobody wants to piss off a judge. I know standing up to a judge is a scary thought, right? But we're talking about custody court. We're talking about the safety of our children. So if this judge is steamrolling you and not giving you your opportunity to be heard and present your case to keep your children safe, you can say something. Your Honor, I respectfully request to be heard. Under the 14th Amendment's due process clause, I am entitled an opportunity to be heard in this matter. You can tell the judge about themselves in a respectful way and remind them, hey, you're violating my rights. Don't let that judge steamroll you. It is your right as an American citizen to present your case and try to keep your babies safe and in your custody. You are entitled to speak on it. Stand up straight, keep your voice level, and be brave. Do it for your children because this may be the only chance that you get. And a message for all the honorable judges that are violating people's rights. Hey, hi. You are supposed to be upholding the law and facilitating due process. Okay? If you can't do that with integrity, then it's time to get off the fucking bench.